I am bored. I know. Pretty crazy, man. Unless you're really, 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 really super, 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 super ugly, dog. Yeah? Or no? Okay. I'll show you anyway. Don't care what you shit, bitch. Okay. Really, really disgusting. Okay? Yeah. Look how ugly she is. Isn't she ugly? That's what I think. You guys don't. Like, look at her. Her breath smells like ass white. Get the out of here. So, that's today's day. Took a minute and 20 seconds, but still, it was really stupid. But still, I got to show you an ugly dog. Okay, so, yo, so.